everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tamagoyaki Japanese Omelette using this large round pan. When I uploaded this video, someone asked me if there is any way to make Tamagoyaki using large round pan. Yes, there is. Let me show you how to make it. These are what you need. 2 eggs, half a teaspoon instant dashi soup stock, 1 teaspoon mirin, 1 teaspoon sake, pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon sugar. Let's make the egg mixture. 2 eggs in the bowl. Beat the eggs. 2 tablespoons water, half a teaspoon instant dashi, 1 teaspoon mirin, 1 teaspoon sake, 1 tablespoon sugar, pinch of salt, all into the bowl and mix it well. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan. It's about 1 tablespoon. I'm using induction heater here and the heat is 4 out of 7. Prepare a small piece of paper towel and oil the frying pan. I'm using this paper towel soaked with the oil one more time, so let's keep it here. Mix the egg mixture because the sugar is sinking at the bottom. Let's add half of the egg mixture. Move the frying pan so the egg mixture cover all over. When it's half cooked, the bottom side is totally cooked but the top side is slightly runny. Fold 1/4 in on this side. And fold 1/4 on the other side too. Like this. Then roll it down. Using the kitchen paper, oil, push the egg to the top, oil the other half, and the rest of the egg mixture into the frying pan. Move the frying pan. And for this layer, make sure the egg mixture goes underneath. And when it's half cooked, let's fold 1/4 in. On this side too, 1/4 in. And then you roll this one in to make one big roll. Turn the heat off and tamagoyaki using large round pan is ready to go. Let's take it out on the paper towel, wrap it up, and let it sit for 5 minutes to settle. It's been 5 minutes, so let's see how it looks inside. Remove the paper towel. Cut both ends off. Just a little bit to make it look nicer. You can cut it as you like, but today I'm cutting it into 6 slices. And Japanese omelette is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!